everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. Today matter na about one video wey Mommy Yore do. So the video really makes sense, like seriously. The video, I hope some people will see big sense inside, because some people really did this life, after they don't offend you finish, after they don't insult you finish, if they come later, they'll back and go call you for back, they beg you. After they don't insult you for public, oh, they don't do live video to insult you finish, they don't insult you for public, they'll back and go, they beg you for back. Mommy always saying a very bad thing. So as I see the video, I say some people will like this topic. Yeah, because some of my followers, they verse, yeah. I know they even they do interpret for them again, say they not like them. So people don't they hear beneath, you understand? Now say na truth. So I go they play and go they analyze them for na more listing. Now very nice topic. Help me to share the video. Please share it, because one or two people will see learn from inside. Because it's not really good. Say after you don't insult me for public, you can't go back. They call me, but they can't they greet me. Wait, after you already fool me finish for public, it's not good. It did very bad. More than listening.
Yeah, but when you don't need to answer their call. You can't express any. Yeah, even whenever they saw it, yeah, but when you don't need to answer their call.
Very bad.
You can't express any. Yeah, man. I don't know about those.
Una hear? He says she don't fair experience some. So people go don't insult you. Finish for public. You back on go back. Go they beg you. He say it did very bad.
Every general go the corner. Every general we got here where the corner here, Bunu anywhere, a mama yet here way, or a pie yet here way, but on here roll your way, or Bunu anywhere. So when I be Biacanoria anything.
Yes.
When I be Biacanoria.
It's after I don't insult you finish for back. You back on see you. You back on they do re. You back on they do say like you. Whereas now very bad picking. Where be say if you reach your back, you go see they insult you. They insult you for public. But if you reach back, you back on they do say like you. You say those kind of people, you need to run for them. And the truth.
Learn from this message.
Yeah.
We help you a lot.
Very yes. The truth.
Good evening, my brother. My people.
Yeah.
Learn.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I mean, where we phone with Toma, also no Jenny Wekeka. But yeah, it's you where, or the way mama, or a brother, or cook, or a pa. When I want more Johnny.
Yeah.
Or more Johnny here. Or my name respected bay, I see a cake bay. Or my name more bay, I see a cake bay. Or disgrace bay.
He said those kind of people are very bad children. If they back, they call your name, they insult you. If they can't reach, if they public, they go insult you, call your name. If they can't reach back, they say, mommy, I bet not verse for what happened just now. Not verse. But tomorrow, you go do the same thing again, no. You go spoil your name again, no. But you back on they praise you for back on they greet you. Say those kind of children, me you run for them. They're very dangerous.
Family exists. Anyone gonna see cake now. I'm on winning any fear of family. I don't care life or live.
No.
You will bring yourself down.
He said those kind of people, after they don't spoil you finish, no back on they do re. He said, you know, they carry those kind of people near body. Those kind of people, you're not supposed to carry them near body. Or you back on see you for party now. You come they greet you. After I don't spoil you finish for back, you back on they greet you. He said, which kind of greet be that one? And it did very like you they bring yourself down for that person. And it's true. I hope you learn from this topic. Even me, I learned from inside there.
I wash on my sikegbe.
He said you need to wash person where you go carry near body. You need to wash person where you go carry near body, and it's true.
When I make to we away, or what's it? Well, when I make to here, where one logoma. I'm again on my one logoma, egg bomb.
Yeah.
I'm again on my mere tactician, a woman, there is time of tactician in this life.
There is time for everything.
Because what the next person you are here.
He said those kind of people where they insult you for public, like the way sailors do that day now. Then tomorrow will come reach, he'll come call you for back. He said if he call you, make you bounce call for your head. Because you know words to talk to.
Time will not stop, ne call it anywhere. Waka away, pikana. Yeah, no respect. No respect you do respect.
Yeah. He said person one of the respect in mama and the papa, you can't respect you. It's not done anywhere. He not go respect you. He go only they bring you down. Very, very bad. Be careful of those kind of people. Beware of those kind of people. Person will not respect him mama, respect him papa. Who be you where go respect? They don't go respect you. Now make you go see some people for social media now. After they don't insult you finish, they'll come see you for party. Like the way after Monica don't insult Papa what they call him B&B husband. Insult him for social media finish. You see him for airport, you want to go embrace and they greet him. Then the man push and say, what did they breathe that one? You get luck, so not be outside that for see you. He greets me for waiting. After you don't give me the insult of my life for public. You so when I see that matter, and I like what that man do. Really, you don't feel insult me finish for public. Come they greet me for back. Who does that? Who does that? Yes.
I want to
just see you finish.
Oh, yeah, I don't know where I have go my la go we must say your talk one problem what my solution allow you tell my joy what you tell my boy or character whatever I don't want to stop. Everything like what's out. I'm gonna stop. I got getting over me. I'm gonna stop. I got getting over muscle. And your parent or your body not you know
at all.
Because I said
he said those kind of people, if they not stop, they go they look them like foolish people, like wish, like people who don't know what they do. So my darling people, I hope you pick for this topic. I hope you really pick what this Mommy Yori talk. It really makes sense. So who get it here, make it here. Thank you, my darling people. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.